Hi, hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Can you see me?
I can see you. Yes. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Hi. My name's Simon. I'm in the United Kingdom. Where are you are is it Shubham? Is that
Yeah,
correct?
Subham.
Shubham.
Yeah,
And where are you? India?
yeah, I am calling from India.
You're calling from India. Okay. Whereabouts?
So it's Uttar Pradesh. That is a state in India.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it is situated in the northern part of India.
In the northern part. Okay. Okay. Um, so we have never spoken before, Shubham. So can I ask you a few questions?
Okay, but I think you should skip the regular question which I came across on the regular basis. So apart from this, we can talk anything.
Yeah. Okay. Regular on a what do you mean skip the regular questions? I don't follow the regular questions. What do you mean?
Yeah, I mean by this that means what's your name, what do you do, and what's your hobbies and all these things. So I don't want to answer because I have answered in uh, lot of time. So that's why I don't want to answer.
Okay, that means you aren't using Cambly correctly then. You
Yeah, you're right.
you got to use Cambly correctly. I mean, I can't test your English unless I know something about you first, you see. If I
Yeah,
don't
you're right.
know anything, if I don't know much about you, I don't know how I can help you improve your English. But okay, I understand you're bored. You don't want to keep on talking the same questions from different tutors.
Yeah.
So let me ask you a question. How can I help you?
So apart
How can
from
I
a
help you?
lesson, you can take a normal conversation as well. So it's totally up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can.
And apart from a lesson, I don't normally teach lessons. I'm a coach. I'm a British
Okay.
coach on engaging with an audience. So, okay, what would you like to talk about?
Yeah. So it's conversation. It should be okay because I have seen the lesson of Cambly. So I am not interested in that things. So we can have
Yeah.
conversation.
Well, yes, okay, but I've just asked you that. I said, so what would you like to talk about?
So take a random thing and then we will discuss upon it.
Um, what about the Russian-Ukrainian war? Would you like to talk about that?
Yeah, you may go on, but I don't have a deep knowledge about that. But certainly I have some knowledge. So what I can share with you.
Okay. So what let me ask your opinion on it. What do you think of the Ukrainian-Russian war?
I think Russia should stop the war because when all things over, then it's humanity that is dead there. So that is not good because sometimes the fault is not of Russia because Ukraine has made a lot of such things. That means that was not desirable. So, but finally, I think Russia should stop this because all about it's at the end of the day humanity losses. So I think Russia should stop.
I I didn't hear that last part. So you think I understand the humanity losses, but you think
Yeah, because because every day people are dying, so that is not good thing according to me.
yes, yes,
Yeah, so
yeah,
different students from different countries are is just trashed out there, so that is not a good thing for other countries' relation as well.
yes,
Many Indian students as well are just got stuck in Ukraine, so
yes,
that is not good things we are having here because all things will affect the relationship of international pattern or platform, you can say.
yes. So who do you think is at fault with the current situation in Ukraine, Russia?
I think in starting the fault was of Ukraine totally, and as the war
You
progresses
think
on, yeah,
you think the fault was Ukraine's?
yeah. So what I know, that means I'm going to share you what I think about this. Uh,
Yes,
all these war, just all these things are happening for NATO membership or all these things. So what I know, that means Ukraine is just want the NATO membership. At the same time, Russia feels your themselves surrounded by enemies countries. So that's why Russia wants that Ukraine does not involve in the NATO military organization. So for that purpose, all these things going on. What I know, if you know some certain other things, then you can share me as well.
Okay, but don't you think? Okay, whether Ukraine isn't joining NATO, it wasn't going to join NATO before, but I mean, is it fair that Russia should invade Ukraine because it feels Ukraine wants to join that? I mean, isn't that Ukraine's choice? That's got nothing to do with Russia, in my opinion.
Okay, that's good. Yeah.
Why would Russia to go into Ukraine, invade Ukraine, and start killing innocent human beings? To me,
Yeah, that is not good.
that doesn't justify what Ukraine does or doesn't do. I mean, I accept the fact
Yeah, you're right.
if Russia thinks Ukraine is a threat by joining NATO, okay, I understand that, but it still doesn't justify Russia invading Ukraine. As it
Yeah,
so
you're right.
happens,
I fully agree with you.
I don't think it would. Ukraine would have joined NATO anyway. Personally, I don't think
Yeah.
that's the point. But I think
You know,
a country.
in starting, I think America is also just playing a responsible role in this war happening. But at the same time, in starting, he played a initiating role, and then he certainly fled from the battle. So I think role could be America as well. But I don't think that should be any country you should provoke. That means you should do or that. So it's totally up to your country decision. You should individually take. So I think Ukraine could have deal all these matter with greater causality. So, but I don't think Ukraine has handled it with a careful manner. I don't think so.
Okay, what do you think Ukraine have done wrong though? Exactly. Where do you think they have? Why you're saying Ukraine have brought this upon themselves? They have caused this problem.
So you know, Ukraine in what reference the battle has been fought, then they could have been just dealing in a peaceful way. That means what Russian president are just demanding for, and what's the problem which is going on. So just they should abide by the terms and condition rather than having aggressive behavior. So I think, but it may be different.
Okay, all right. Okay, so that it is a disagreement. Of course, it is. There is a conflict of interest. But when any
Yeah, you're right.
country, invades another country's territory, I mean, it's like
Yeah.
Pakistan and India, isn't it? Over Kashmir type of thing. It's a similar situation.
Yeah, you're right.
There's a kind of a dispute, if let's call it, but we wouldn't want to see either country, India invading Pakistan or Pakistan invading
No, no.
India. It
Yeah,
would
you're
be
right.
it wouldn't be something the world would want to see. So it would be a question of. But I'm just sort of wondering if, for example, if Pakistan were to invade India, and India, I mean, would you fight back or would you try and negotiate? I mean, that's the.
No, I don't. Yeah, I don't think India just negotiates anything because now situation has arisen in our country such a way that means we have become more stronger than before we was. So I don't think we
Yes,
are going to negotiate or deal anything. We will reply in the same way. You know, tit for
yes,
tat. We are having the policy here. Yeah.
yes, yes. So I think that's what
And you know,
Ukraine is.
population
That's
of
what.
Pakistan is, for your convenience, I'm going to tell you the
Yes,
whole population of Pakistan is just equal to one state in India, that is Uttar Pradesh.
sure.
That means
Yes,
they are
yes.
having 22 crores of populations, and we are having one state of 24 crore populated. So we are enough for them.
Absolutely. No, I'm not. I know. I'm aware of that. Yes, I know. But what I would say is, it's not about that. It's about the aggression, isn't it? It's about
No, you
aggression.
yeah. What I think that means what I got what you asked me. I think you know sometimes whenever you just feel safe and secure and want to resolve any matter by peace, then certainly your enemy thoughts that they are just fearing from us. So that's why reply should be in such a way that means they can show their strength as well.
So yes, so in reality, Ukraine are doing the right thing by fighting Russia back, then, aren't they? Really, in the case of Ukraine.
Yeah, so
So,
for
so
yeah, for that purpose, I'm also just feeling pity for Ukraine, because all in this all battle humanity loses, so that is
yes,
I feel pity as well. You're right.
yes, yeah. I mean, yeah. There's never, as you're right. There's no winner in war,
Yeah,
really,
you're
is
right.
there? There's
Yeah,
no
in
winner
war
in
there is
war.
no win. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
You're right.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, we're hoping here that it de-escalates as soon as possible and doesn't carry
I
on.
think so, because yeah, I am just certainly just got some news on my television, and just certainly things on daily basis. That means it should be stopped tomorrow. It will stop, but unfortunately, it is not happening. So that is
Yeah.
really saddening for me.
Yes, it is. It is indeed. It is
Yeah.
indeed. And where do you think China would play a role in this going forward?
So I think not China particularly. Every country should play a role. That means they should talk like our PM, that is Narendra Modi, has talked to the president of Russia in such a way. That means what could be done and what the things could be done better. So all these things they have talked, but at the same time, so some major countries have their just talk about this particular topic. I think so. That means China, you named, America, you should, and this, all these countries should talk in a simultaneous conversation. So I think they should do, but what they are doing, I have no information about that.
Yeah, yeah. In fact, the world hasn't changed much, has it? The world hasn't really learnt lessons over the last
Yeah, from history. Yeah, you're right.
many hundreds of years. It still has
Yeah,
the same problems and still continues to have the
yeah,
same
you're
problems.
right. You're right.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, let me ask you, just getting back on now to your English very quickly, because I see we've got 3 minutes.
You're
Where
right.
where is your
Go on.
where do you feel you need to improve your English? Where is your
So as for
English?
now, if you talk about me where I consider my improvement, then certainly it will take some time, because on the regular basis I'm practicing, and I just should focus on the vocabulary in acquisition. That means to gain more and more words, to just use the appropriate words where it should be used. So that on that part I'm feel a little bit lagging, but at the same time I'm learning on the daily basis, so it will be improved. And where I'm lagging, you can suggest me as well.
Yeah. How much practice of English do you get every day? Do you do much talking in English in your everyday activities?
Yeah, I tries to just communicate with my colleague and friends, and having 2 or 3 applications I'm using. So for
Okay.
that purpose, I'm improving day by day, and I teaches to students as well. So on their on that platform, I am using all these things. So in my opinion, I'm improving, but what it is resulting, it could be tell by you better.
Yeah, I mean, I'm used to India. I mean, I've been to India many times
Yeah,
across
you're right.
India, and I've also
Yeah.
listened to many accents in India. I also spent 15 years working in the GCC, where there's also a lot of Indians working there as well. Um,
Okay.
I think it's about how you interact in English. Certainly,
Okay.
the more you work, the more you can use English, and the more you can use with different accent. In other words, not with native English speakers necessarily, but probably English with non-native Indian speakers, because
Yeah, you're right.
English with Indian native speakers t- tends to be of one accent type, and if you use English with, say, German or let's take another country in Asia. Let's, if you take the Philippines, or you take
China,
any
Pakistan,
country,
any country.
China,
Yeah, you're
Pakistan,
right.
yeah,
Yeah.
you'll get a different style of English coming through, which will be good for
Yeah,
you
you're right.
to listen here as well. Yeah,
So for as of now, what you can suggest me? Where am I standing?
I would say listening skills. Focus on listening
Okay.
skills, and that's where the more you get your listening skills working at 100%, the more you'll
Okay.
then gain the knowledge and of what you're saying as well. But
Yeah,
your
you're
English
right.
is good. Your English is at a good level. You're doing well.
Thanks
Okay.
for suggestion, and thanks a lot.
All right. Take care. Take care, Shunda. See you again. Bye-bye.